Hey, welcome to Colliers Wood Shop. Just wanted to do a little product review. As everybody knows, I love the Dewalt stuff. I've got this cantilever set up here that I just got in, and we're going to try to install that today, and I'll do a little review on it. Here's the packaging. As you see, this is how it comes, and we're going to install it on that cinder block wall over there. And we'll keep up with you throughout the day, and we'll let you know how everything goes. Wish me luck. Okay, I've opened up the box, found the hardware there, and what I like about DeWalt is they'll send you a little product guide, give you some ideas on some different things, and then the instruction manual there. But what I do always first is I'll get this here, and then I go to my computer and I register. Don't like to do this on all my new stuff, and ask you to register a product, and you just type in the name there, DX, or I find it right there on the box, DXSTACLR, and it's a wall rack. It should ask me the date here. 1 second. Still thinking a little bit, but it'll come up and ask me the date when I purchased it. Put that in, and then we go from there. So here we go. Wants me to, it's the wall rack there, and then the purchase date. So I'll put today's date, my contact, and register. So always like to go into the DeWalt site and register my stuff. I get a lot of neat stuff in my emails and things like that, so it's a good thing to do. All right, onward and upward. All right, wish me luck. Obviously, this is what makes these little jobs take a little bit longer, is I'm here at a big box now. Got to go in and get some hardware to mount this to the block wall. These little projects seem like they'll always take maybe a half hour, 45 minutes, end up taking 4 or 5 hours. So this is why they gave me anchors for a drywall, and we're going to put it into a block wall. So wish me luck. Hopefully I can get in and out of here without spending too much money. All right, got out of there. Not too bad. Just spent a lot of time. Hate going in these big places. It seems to get lost in there, looking at all this different things. But okay, back to the project. Hey, okay, what I've done now is I've measured the distance of my wall to here. It's 6 foot, so these are 3, so I kind of want to center it in the wall. I've got an 18-inch board right here that I use, and then I'll come up here like this. So I'm 18 inches here. I'll set this on the edge where I want to be. I want this to come to the edge of my workbench here. So I'll set that guy there, and then I'll take my level, and then I'll take the level and level this guy like this. Get it level. So it's level that way. And then I've got a little punch. These guys come in very handy. It's a little teeny punch, but watch what happens when you stick it in here. All you have to do is push it around a little bit. Push it around a little bit. Let me see what I got there. Okay, cut. Welcome to Wayne's tool review. What I've got here is I've got a Dewalt Hammer Drill. I like this guy because it's heavy duty. I have lighter drills that I use for other things, but this is a nice heavy duty. This is the DWD 520. It's got a 1/2 inch chuck, nice heavy duty chuck. It also gives you 2 different speeds, and then you go to the hammer. So you got 1-speed drill, 2-speed drill, and then the hammer. You've also got forward and reverse on it. You've also got a handle that comes on. So far, the handle is a nice little accessory, but where I've found problems with the handle is when I'm drilling a hole into concrete and coming back up, the handle will slip off. I have not been able to get the handle quite tight enough for my liking. It will come off, spin around, do different things, but the handle is my only downside to this. I like this. It's a nice heavy duty drill. They also have a guide on here that you can put your guide in to see how deep you're going on your holes. So your guide would slide in right there, and then that would tell you how deep you could set that for how depth gauge. My first job that I did with this was around the pool. So I used a huge drill bit, and we drilled the holes for a fence that would go around a in-ground swimming pool. Worked great. So that's a huge bit that I'm using there, and it had enough horsepower to really run that. Now we're working on a wall here, and I'm going to use a little 3/16 drill bit in the hammer drill, and it's worked well so far on that. But get a good cord on it, nice and heavy duty, and then you've got your let me just unwind this here so you can see about how long. It's got a nice cord on it, and it's also got a place for the chuck to be stored on the cord, which I like. Taking me a second here, but you can see the cord, pretty good size cord on it. I'd say about a 6-foot cord, and then it's got a place here to store your chuck. Good heavy duty chuck on it. One of my favorite features on it is the chuck. But again, I would highly recommend it. Have a few little problems with the handle, but other than that, it's a winner. It's 10 amps, and again, it's the DWD 520 Dewalt Hammer Drill. Love the Dewalt products. In this one, I would definitely give it a solid 5 stars. Thank you very much. Don't forget to leave us a review or a thumbs up here on YouTube, and make sure to follow our channel. Thank you very much for watching. We're finished now with our Dewalt Cantilever wood rack. It's 3 pieces, 1, 2, 3, and we've got a fair amount of lumber. I mean, I would not go crazy and put every stick of lumber you own on it, but it's good. What we're going to do now is we're going to move our chop saw here, and then we'll be able to pull our lumber down and cut it as we need it for our benches that we specialize in. I love Dewalt stuff, and this did not disappoint. I would recommend it. It would be a little quicker and easier if you've got studs that are showing, but to put it in the wall was fairly easy once you got the proper fasteners. Get the proper fasteners to put it in. Went in real quick and easy. I basically made an 18-inch board to go underneath of here to get it up, put a level on it to make sure it was straight, marked the holes real quick, boom, boom, boom. It was in quick. Engineered, very nice. DeWalt stuff is always very good. Would highly recommend it again. I would give this one a 10 out of 10. Love it. Got to thank my lovely wife for an early Christmas present. Thank you very much. Please watch our videos. Please like our videos. Please subscribe to us. We love this YouTube stuff, trying to get our channel going, so any support you can give us would be greatly appreciated. Thanks for watching Colliers Woodshop. Here's an old-time tech tip. My kids yell at me for doing this, but I do it all the time. These are the extra parts. I didn't put it in the drywall, didn't put it in the wood, so these are some little extra guys. If you stay organized, you look over here, I got all different types of anchors. I'll just drop it in there. Oh, I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll stay even more organized with this guy because I got a little baggie too. So I'll take this little baggie that DeWalt gave me. I'll drop all these anchors in, and then for another project, you'll have some anchors that you paid for, but they're leftovers. So I keep all my little spare parts and things like that, little odds and ends. Keeping your shop organized definitely helps you keep away from the big box store and spending lots of money.